Okay, my point. Hello, everybody. I am going to be very quick. My name is Mr. Singh from Mumbai, India. Some people call me the man with the red dot because of the red dot on my forehead. You see that? That is the red dot on my forehead. But that is not why I'm here. I am here to say, everybody, please, I'm inviting you to a big party. Nigerian party on the 15th of June 2024. Yes, many years ago, my father came from India and he met this other man they call Radio Mbise. Radio Mbise chief Anyanwu was he was the father to Adaugo Okpokparoro, and she's having her 17th wedding anniversary on the 15th of June 2024 with the husband, engineer Tony Sir Chief Ewoma Okpokparoro. Please be there. I will be there. Everybody be there and see Mr. Singh so you can enjoy with me and bring me some women so I can make sex. Let me make sex. It's going to be a big party. Bye-bye. Mr. Singh from Mumbai, India. I love you all, my people, my people.
Bar Media Pinnacle Entertainment. Derima. More fire. Fuka.